How to turn off wrap text. Hello guys, if you want to turn off wrap text on Google Workspace, first step, go to your application Google Workspace and click your document and click this option. So here you can find text, click this option and click here, and here you can find text and cell, so click cell and scroll down, and here you can find wrap text, so you can turn off option. After these steps, you can find here fill color, you can find borders, you can change here color, you can edit borders here, you can edit border style. So here you can find number format. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.